going to learn about this arithmetic progression. And after the introduction of arithmetic progression, I will share with you a recent question 2024 question about arithmetic progression, right? So now we're going to understand what is the meaning of arithmetic progression. So in order to understand that, we will take a set of number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? Now you see 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So what is the special about this number? If you look at this number, you can see in between two numbers, the difference is same, right? So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So we call this a sequence. That means it follows specific order. So when we add different to the number, it will give another number. So for example, 2. So plus 2 is 4. So then we define the difference is 2. Then it keeps on continuing between two numbers, and we can write any numbers until end. There's no end actually. So we can write until infinity by adding 2, 2, 2. That's a sequence. So when you have a sequence, so that's the position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, position 5, right? Now, how do we calculate position 50, right? So we can't write like this until we come to the position 50, right? So there is a method. So we're going to remember this method, and it's very easy to count or calculate quickly if they ask any number in any place, right? So we take these simple letters, simple D. That's a difference. Simple D is a difference, right? So simple N. So we can define this as the position of the number which is going to coming in the sequence. So like let's say the first position, second, third, fourth, fifth, 50, like it's a nth position, right? And so I just write it position of the number. And simple A, the first number. Okay. So now you see, simple D denotes difference. N is the position of the number, and A is first number. So let's say we want to find, so any position, so that means I will take another letter, capital T, simple N. So that shows the any position that we want to calculate. And now what we do, so we take the first letter A, right, plus the position we want to calculate is simple N minus 1 multiplied by D. So this formula we can use to calculate any number given. For example, now let's calculate 50. So first number is A is 2, right? And we want to calculate 50 minus 1. The difference is Here 2 and 4, like 4 and 6, always 2. So the difference is 2. Now 2 plus 49, that's multiplied by 2, right? I'm going to add all these number together, like 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, like that. I'm going to add until to the 50, until 50, position 50, that's 100. So in order to do that, we cannot go on manually because it takes time. We have a formula. So then the formula is sum of all the numbers equal how many numbers we have divided by 2, first number and the last number, right? So this is the formula you need to remember now. So how many numbers we have? 50, right? 50 divided by 2, first number is 2, last number is 100, right? So 2 divided by 50 is 25, and this one 102, right? So now I calculate this 102 multiplied by 25. So 2,550, right? 2,550. Now, first I got 100, right? So first formula I used to calculate what is the number in the 50th position, that's 100. Second one, I use this formula to calculate the sum of all the values in this sequence, that is 2550. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this both, like first I calculate this, then I calculate this. I can get this number in a one formula. So the formula is, actually I add the first formula. Remember the first formula we write? That's A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, that's the first formula. And second formula is equal n divided by 2 A plus L, right? So that's the second formula. Now combination of these two give this value. So I don't want to find this and then second this. So I add these two formulas. It is equal n divided by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D, right? So I can use this formula to get this value without calculating this. So I can skip first step and I can directly calculate the total value. So now you see how many numbers? 50 divided by 2, 2, A is 2 plus 2A is 2, n is how many numbers I have? 50 minus 1, the difference is 2. Okay. So here 25, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 50 minus 1 is 49, 49 into 2, 98. So 25 multiplied by 102. So answer is 2,550. So same answer is coming, right? 2,550. So that's a useful formula. I can directly calculate the total value. Also, I'm finding what is the number at the end position. Both I can do with this formula. Now, next thing, we're going to do 2024, the past paper question, and it came about this arithmetic progression.